Hello?
Hello, Mrs. Dabie.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. I'm phoning about your LG phone.
Yes?
It's Jabu here. You were awaiting a call from the manager.
Okay.
Yes, I'm the manager, ma'am.
Okay, so first, I handed the phone in. When I went there on last Friday, to collect the phone that they gave me was not my phone. Okay. Secondly, they threw away the battery.
Yes.
So how can I collect a thing that is not mine and that has got no battery? Because I was complaining about the phone getting hot and then it's losing data.
But they gave you another phone.
They gave me a used phone, yes.
Yeah, because the phone that you gave in was a used phone, right?
Okay, so I pay for a phone that is mine. I look after it. And then I get somebody else's buggered up phone and I must be satisfied. That's no way. I'm going to take this further. Okay.
Okay, well, ma'am, I'm at the top here
Hello?
Hello, Mrs. Dabie.
Yes?
Okay, they lost the signal there. I'm sorry for that.
Okay.
All right, so which
And
means...
what about the data that's getting lost?
Sure, ma'am. That's a tough one because sometimes people are on websites on their phone and they're like, Ish, where's the data? But you're using the data.
Okay, so now you're telling me it's my problem that my phone is losing data. Then it's most a cock phone.
What websites were you on that it was eating the data?
I'm not complaining about the data. I pay my data. I'm telling you that the data on the phone is getting lost. It just threw away the keypad on the thing, so I couldn't type anything. So the keypad is not data. It's a program on the phone that's supposed to be there. It's just gone. How the hell does it just disappear?
Ma'am, are you not pushing the buttons when you want to push one button and you...
Listen, I'm not 2 years old. Okay.
No, ma'am, what I'm saying is sometimes...
I've been using this phone for over a year, and never is this happening to me.
Well, ma'am,
because I'm a peanut in the packet.
Sometimes when people are accidentally deleting stuff off their phone with their fingers, because they've got their fat fingers, so it pushes one button, but...
I haven't got fat fingers. Okay.
Like, ma'am, sometimes when you want to send a text message, you plan on saying, I love you, Peter, and it comes out as... That's fat fingers.
No. Zelda, hello?
Hello, Mrs. Dabie. Ma'am, I don't think an iPhone is for you. You need to use the device for people with fat fingers, and that's called an iPad. Or as we call it, it's a Big Mac.
Listen, I don't want to talk to you further, okay? I'm going to make a case against you because you're discriminating against me. Thank you.
What did I say, ma'am? What did I say? Hello? Okay.
That's really amazing. Hello?
Hi.
Ja,
Excuse man, sorry die baas het gou hier by my in kantoor. Ek kon nie net ek moet doordruk. Ek vra hoekom klink jy so kwaai?
want ek het nou net met Wouter Wolf van die foon af geklim. So ek het hulle lekker kok vertel. Wat van hy sê vir my, want ek het mos my keypad verloor of hy het net ek wil ingaan om te tip toe die keypad weg. Nou sê hy vir my, dis my vetvingers vir die goeie. My vetvingers.
Ek het nog nie met hom gepraat nie.
Nee, ek vertel ek vir hom reguit, ek wil nie iemand anders vir used phone nie. En toe sê hy vir my, wel, ek het 'n used phone ingegee, so ek gaan 'n used phone terugkry. Toe sê hy vir my, kan nou met sy glad druk. Jo. Toe sê ek vir hom, wel, dan wil ek nie met hom praat, want hy is ongeskik, want my vetvingers delete mos goed van goed is af. Ek sê vir hom, ek het so nie Xperia nie, en my vetvingers delete van daai foon af nie. Nou, ek het hom mooi vertel. Afrikaans en Engels en in Sotho.
Is jy kwaad nou? Is jy nog weet kwaad?
Ek is die moer in. Moet jy al sê, 'n customer care manager vir 'n persoon is jou vetvingers wat dit delete van die foon af. Jy sê kom nou dan sit ek op foon. Dan soek ek nie daai foon terug nie. Ja, en hy sit net op die verkeerde dag met my moeilikheid. Ja. Wat lag jy?
Ja, ek lag net. Ek kan nie help nie, sorry.
Ja. Dis snaaks nie, dit was eintlik baie ernstig. Verstaan jy wat ek bedoel?
Ja, ek verstaan nie.
Nou sê my ja, ek sê hom met die data getting lost. Nou, okay, ek het seker dit verkeerd gestel, maar nou sê my ek use baie data. Sê hom okay, but keypad, I can't use my keypad up. Otherwise then it's a cock phone. Nee, maar dis nou my vetvingers wat ek moet delete. Ek van okay, I'll come and see you with my fat fingers and we'll see who can bliksem move with his fat fingers. Grappig, want mense my net ek moet net altyd tevrede wees met die minste. Lag jy nog steeds?
Ek lag nog steeds. Ag, nog steeds.
Oh. Ek het nie dink jy is nog nie, ek is heel ernstig. Dan kan ek vir hulle sê, ek het fat fingers. Dan gaan ek gaan ek hulle kap. En dan gaan ek op alle bieters sit, en dan gaan weer van my.
Ek kan nie reg, ek sal hom nou terugbel, skies, my baas stap nou hier in.
Alright.
Ek kan nie die vir jou.
Met jou baie.
Why?
You're not supposed to laugh so much.
She really goes all out when she's cross.
Hello?
Hello, Zelda. How are you?
Finding you?
Hi, it's Craig here. I'm calling you from Vodacom. You spoke to Jabu.
Yes?
He said you wanted to speak to his boss.
Yes.
Okay.
Because he tells me I've got fat fingers and that's why I'm deleting stuff off my phone. Come on, that's so unprofessional.
Okay.
Okay, but I've been using this phone over a year and I never had a problem with typing text messages. I mean, come on, I'm not 2 years old. I know how to run a phone. I work with it every day. It's part of my work.
Yeah, I see what you're saying, but just what is the width of your fingers, man? You could just guesstimate.
What is the width of my fingers?
Yes.
Oh, come on.
If you can just guesstimate in millimeters. Hello?
No, that's fun.
Hello? Hello?
Is he talking to you?
Huh? Your doctor.
There's a prank. There's Racket Simpson, ma.
Hello, Zelda. Zelda.
No, I'm not lekker.
Tell me,
Sorry, ma.
can you measure those fingers for me, please, Zelda?
No. Okay, give me your phone number, then I'll WhatsApp them to you.
I love Zelda de Beer. Damn. Every time she said my fat fingers, I corpsed. I couldn't. How many times did she say fat fingers?
Often.
In that prank?
Yeah.
Damn.
Got hung up on that one.
Hey?